हाय गाइस। मैं आज आप लोगों को पीपीटी बनाना बताऊंगी नेटवर्किंग टॉपिक पे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। As we all know that without networking any development of any technology can't be possible. So networking is quite possible for developing any technology. In our daily life we come across different types of network. 3D group of men connected to each other, teamwork, networking, like this diagram. Example. Let us understand this concept by some example. First, network of roads, railway lines, canals, etc. Second, communication network of telephone system which enable us to talk to anyone, anywhere, and anytime. Third, network of bank, ATMs, automated teller machine. Fourth, radio, television, network broadcast program live across the globe. And the fifth one is video conferencing allows discussion between people at distant places. Internet is an outcome of cybersecurity. It protects our data from any unauthorized user. Imagine life without networking, no phone, no television, no internet. It is quite impossible to live without all this at this modern era. Networking. Now, let us start the main topic. What is networking? A computer network can be defined as a group of computer peripheral devices that are linked together for the purpose of sharing data and hardware sources. If one of the computer in a network has a printer attached to it, then all the network can access the printer and use it to print the document. Where computer A and computer B in a network can give the print command to the printer attached with computer C. Networking. The computer in a network can communicate with each other as well as independently. Each computer in a network is called a node. Each computer. So what it say? Each computer are called a node. The computer in a network can be linked through cables, telephone lines, radio waves, infrared light beams. Advantage of networking. Networking in computers bring efficiency, economy, and effective in an organization. Efficient use of storage media. It is better to store a shareable application data on a network drive than to store a copy of the application on each user's storage device. Preserving information. It is difficult to maintain regular backup on a number to stand-alone computers. Advantages of networking. Redundancy. What is the meaning of redundancy? To reduce the repetition of same data. When a same data is repeated, then the process to redundant means to remove them is known as redundancy. So now start this topic. A network reduces the need for hard copies of all documents by sharing the soft copy of a file over the network. The need of say paper copies of reports, any other information can be eliminated or greatly reduced. Quickest document delivery. Networking provides a facility to instantly deliver soft copies from one computer to the other computer throughout the world. Now, efficiency. In a network, the deletion, modification, or upgradation of the software is to be done at a single point only. Know the fact. We will have to know all these facts also. So, what is Bluetooth? We have to know. Bluetooth is wireless technology used to interconnect mobile phones, computers, printers using short range of wireless connection. For more information, visit www.bluetooth.com. This is a site where we know all information about the Bluetooth. Now, networking component means what components are used in networking. To stabilize wired networking in a group of computers, we require the additional components that are as follows. First, network card. A network card is used to physically attach a computer to a network so that it can participate in network Communication networking cable. Modern Ethernet networks use twisted pair cable containing 8 wires. These wires are arranged in a spatial order and an RJ45 connector, similar in design but bigger than connector used with the telephone wire, is clamped both the ends of the cable. Networking component modem. A modem enables you to connect your computer to the available internet connection over the existing telephone lines. Hub and switches. Network cards are used to send and receive the data being transmitted over the Ethernet cables. When a network has more than two computers, we can't connect all the computers together. Hub were the preferred medium in earlier times, but now switches are used because of their better efficiency. Known the fact. Wireless is a means of communication that uses low power radio wave to transmit data between devices. Wireless networking allows networks to be deployed without cabling spaces such as outdoor or as where cable can't be laid can have wireless network. Types of networks. Now we will have to know what is the types of network. Depending on geographical area covered by a network, there are various types of computer networks used worldwide, which are as follow. There are four types of network. There are personal area network that is known as PAN, local area network that is known as LAN, metropolitan area network that is known as MAN, and the last one is wide area network that is known as WAN. Types of network. Now first type, personal area network. PAN generally covers a range of less than 10 meters, about 30 feet. You can use these networks to transfer files including emails, calendar, appointments, digital photo and music, and so on. The second one is local area network. In LAN, two or more computers and peripheral devices are connected within a small area such as roof, office, building, or a campus, and so on. Know the fact. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. It represents wireless local area network. It was developed for mobile computer devices like laptops, but is now used in PCs, video games, consoles, smartphones, tablets to exchange data wirelessly over the computer networks. This technology enables the radio signal to go further 300 feet approximately with a faster rate of transmission. Now, another part is metropolitan area network, that is MAN. MAN is a larger network than LAN, but it is spread across a city. The most common example of MAN type network is the cable television franchise of bank in a city, etc. Now, wide area network. This is the last type of a network. This kind of network connects two or more computers located at distant places. The most common example of WAN type network is telecom system. The best example of WAN are internet and intranet in a large multinational company. The second is ATM facilities. The third one is national and multinational bank customer services. Let's know more. Intranet. Intranet is a term which refers to a computer network restricted to an organization. Extranet refers to a computer network that allows control access to an information source available on internet. Networking architecture. Network architecture is an overall design of a computer network that describes how a computer network is configured and what strategies are being used. Now, computer network are mainly out of two types. Network architecture is out of two types, client-server network and the peer-to-peer network. Now, what is client-server network? It is a network where several computers called client or workstation are connected to the main computer called server. The server is a computer that provides the services to clients and control accesses to hardware, software, and other resources. Clients are the computer which request services like data retrieval, storage, etc. from the server. Peer-to-peer network. In peer-to-peer network, there is no central server instance. Each computer can act as a server as well as client. Network topology. So, network topology refers to the layout in which various components of a network, like nodes, links, peripherals, etc., are connected and communicate with each other. Topology can be either physical or logical. Physical topology is the physical of nodes, workstations, and cables in the network, whereas logical topology is the way information flows between different components. Network topologies are categorized into the following basic types. There are six types of net for topologies. First one is peer-to-peer topology. Second, bus topology. Third, star topology. Fourth, ring topology. Fifth, tree topology. And the sixth and the last one is mesh topology. So let's describe it. Point to point topology. Point to point topology is the simplest form of network structure in which two nodes are directly connected to each other. This type of network is more suitable for small areas where computers are in close proximity. This technology provides a faster and reliable connection. Bus topology. This topology uses a single communication line of one main cable to which all nodes are directly connected. It transmits data only in one direction. This topology is used in small networks where cable requirement is relatively small. Star topology. In star topology, each device is connected to a central computer using a point-to-point connection. The central server acts as a hub. Devices communicate across the network by passing data through this hub. Star topology is very popular because the startup cost is low, but if the central hub fails, the entire network goes down. And the other is ring topology. In ring topology, all the nodes in the network connected in a circular manner. Each node connects to exactly to other nodes, forming a single continuous pathway for signals. Tree topology. Tree topology is one of the most common network setups that consists of a group of star figured work stations connected to a linear bus backbone cable. In tree topology, one star network is connected to the other star network. Mesh topology. In mesh topology, each node is connected to other node in the network. In this topology, every node not only sends its own signal but also relays data from other nodes. It is commonly used in wireless network. That's it. Thank you. Thanks, guys.